A wonderful feeling to hear that sound when you're on holiday. Yes, and welcome back. We are going to Amritsar on a fruit trip. Breakfast is at Kulcha Land. Here comes our kulcha, chola, and some chutney. You must try this at Kulcha Land. Lassi anywhere in Amritsar is very tasty, and if you have one full glass, you're almost full. And some halwa to end the meal. We are starting a walking tour from the Partition Museum. Entry to the museum is 10 rupees for Indians and 250 rupees for foreign nationals. But today we are not going to see the Partition Museum. We are on a different walking tour where we will walk through the streets of Amritsar, because that is how you get to know a place well. We will be walking through the lanes and by lanes and the markets of Amritsar, and you will notice that in the neighborhoods the houses have very different kind of architecture, and they are very different from each other.
Basically belongs to Patras, those are to Maharaja Ranjit Singh himself. Soldiers who worked with Maharaja Ranjit Singh, जैसे Patra General से गए.
This is the fort Kila Ahluwalia, and this fort was given to the Marwadi families to settle their businesses. So what we are seeing here are the stables, and the Maharaja's army used to keep their horses here. The horses would drink from here and have their food, and there is a well at the end. I will show you that area. This is the well, but this area is not maintained properly, but you can go and see this. Again, you will notice the arches, the architecture is very different, and there is a courtyard with modern buildings now surrounding it. Our guide told us that mostly this is the trading area where the shops are there, so it's like a wholesale market. These ancient passages and archways were established by the Sikh misls, and it led to the wedding ornament market or the chudas. There was a lot of jali work and some paintings which were done on the buildings, which was very unique. I have tried to take pictures without the wires. There are a lot of overhead wires which are going across the city, so every time you want to take some pictures, the wires are always there, but I've tried my best. The lanes are also very narrow, so you can see the autos are passing and some two-wheelers. You will notice that the brick used in that side of the building is very different from the brick that you get now, and also the doors and the jali works again are different from each other. One of the buildings had Lord Ganesha right at the top, probably blessing the building. This bazaar is famous as the wholesale bazaar, and people come here during weddings to buy the jewelry and utensils. We are going to see the Gurdwara Darshani Deori, and this was the place from where the old gurus actually caught a glimpse of the golden temple. Of course, the bazaar was not there. The fresco and the marble work was done during Maharaja Ranjit Singh's time. The Bartan Bazaar. This large banyan tree is known as the Baba Bohar. The temple is built to worship the tree. There are many temples on these lanes and by lanes. They are very old. As you can see, the trees itself will tell you about the age, and many people, they keep paying their obeisance throughout the day. The lanes also have sweet shops, as Amritsar is well known for the milk products, and there is also food which is mostly vegetarian, which is served.
Just 4 to 5 feet up. So this temple at that time, maybe more than 500 years old temple.
Once again, you can see the type of architecture that has been followed again is different and very unique. And we walked into this temple from the street. It's very deceptive. You do not realize there's a courtyard and a big house inside. And when you walk in, it's quite cool. Also, you cannot hear the hustle bustle of the street. I mean, it's amazing. As you enter, it just quietens down. This is a Radha Krishna temple, and you will see that there are a lot of frescoes and murals on the walls. The Amritsar Heritage Walk is around the Guru Bazaar, and beside the Gurdwara, once again you will see the sweet shops and also veg items being sold. Amritsar is pretty cold during December, and you can see everyone is wearing their warm clothes.
Of the Hindu gods as well as the Sikh masters. So there was one person who was a Gangaram. Okay. Gangaram ji.
This is the Chitta Akhada, and it was also known as Gangaram Akhada after its founder Mahant Gangaram. It was established in 1781. This is our last stop for the Heritage Walk, the Udasin Ashram Akhada. And we are standing right outside the Golden Temple. These walls are guarding the temple structure inside. One has to cover their head and you have to queue up, but it is very smooth and everybody is very patient. You can have your lunch at the Langar, or you can have it at Kesadda Dhaba, which is close by. The food was delicious and the firni too. And some mouth freshener to end it all beautifully. We are having dinner at Makhan Fish. They sell the fish which is very, very popular. Do come and try out Makhan Fish, it is very delicious. We have also ordered some kebabs and roti. The next day we are back again at the same place because we want to see the Jallianwala Bagh, and as you can see it is a Sunday, so the market is full of people. There's a lot of hustle bustle going on. From an early age, when we read about the Jallianwala Bagh, it is a monument in Amritsar, and it is a 6.27 acre memorial dedicated to hundreds of Indians who were killed by the British troops on April 13th, 1919. There is a red sandstone monument which is flame shaped and martyrs well. The bullet marks on the walls are also shown, and there is an eternal flame. Now we are walking through the streets enjoying the sights and sounds of Amritsar. For lunch we stopped at Bubby Chicken Corner and we tried the rum chicken. We also ordered some quail and rotis, of course. After the meal, we were very happy to find a pan shop or the betel leaf shop, and we ended the meal very nicely having a pan. Needless to say, but you could make out from the pictures that we had a lovely trip in Amritsar. The ghee was pure ghee, and the milk products and the lassi was really